Hi and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell where you'll see more great videos like this. Today we're going to be making the sink, so let's start with a plane. We're going to go into edit mode, hit number 2 for edges, and then we're going to extrude on the Y like so. Okay, what we're going to do first is we're going to select all our edges, and then we're going to extrude down on the Z, extrude on the Z like so. Okay, what we're going to do next is we're going to take this face number 3, we're going to inset, and we're just going to take that top edge and we're just going to pull it down, so we've got enough room for our tap there. Okay, now we're going to take this, we're going to hit number 3, hit the faces, extrude on the Z like so. Right, what we're going to do now is we're going to go into modifiers, we're going to subdivision surface, just crank it up to 3. So what we need to do is do Control R, and like so, we can get a bit of a crease at the bottom there. We're going to do the same as well for the top, so we'll hit another one in there, give it more of a crease there, to there. We're going to scale them out on the Y, and the same here, Control R, do that twice, scale on the X, okay. Now here we're going to Control R just the once and bring it out to the edge there. Now just here we're going to do Control R, and then we're going to do it so I've done it 10 times. We're just going to hit number 3 every other face, and then we're going to extrude on the Z like so. Okay, once you're happy with your sink, we can do a Control R in the center. We can then hit number 1, we'll select that one, we'll do Control Shift B for the plug. Now if yours isn't round, all you got to do is change shape. You'll need to if you go up, it's going to create a diamond, which is probably where yours is, that's default. If you take it down, it produces the shape of a circle. Okay, what I'm going to do is delete faces and then create a new cylinder, scale it down, scale it down like so, and then we're going to have this fit in the top there like that. So obviously this is going to be the plug. What we can do now is just hit Control, make sure you're on faces, select the top, bottom face, inset like so, take it down slightly, and then extrude on the Z, extrude on the Z Okay, and then these faces, these edges here, so hit number 2, select all the edges, Control B to bevel. Okay, let's Control A, scale, Control B. Now you're beveled on the inside because your shape is low, so we need to crank that back up. I'm quite happy with these segments. And just bring it down. Let's just take that down a bit more. Okay, and then you can have that as silver, chrome even. Let's create new material. We're just going to crank up metallic, crank down the roughness. Okay. And then the sink, I'm just going to have like a dark colour. And hopefully that will be that. I mean, obviously with this, let's shade smooth. And then go to normals and then tick. Okay, now if you need to make it bigger, just go into edit, select all your faces on the outside. And then we just need to scale on the Y and the X. If we do scale Shift Z, so that will prevent it scaling on the Z. Okay, and we're good to go. So we're going to take that and that, going to Control copy. I'm going to open up our kitchen, paste it in. You can see there it's rather large, so we just need to scale that down and take it over to where it needs to go. We're going to put it on here. Let's bring it over a smidge, drop it down. Right, so obviously with this unit here, we need to bring in a cube, scale it all the way down, make sure it fits like so. If you're happy with that, I'm going to Control A, scale, edit. I'm just going to select all these outer edges and just give it a bit of a bevel so it kind of matches the sink. Control B. Again, chunk it up. Like that. I'm just going to bring it back down into the wood, select our top, go into modifiers, select Boolean, go up color picker, select the cube and then just click apply. And then that's where our sink is. So now we've got to add in a tap. So Shift A we're going to chuck in a cylinder, scale that down like so. Make sure it fits into the area like that. Maybe make it a little bit bigger like that. Let's make sure that it fits in place. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to shape it up. So go to edit, select the top face. We're going to inset, extrude on the Z, inset, extrude on the Z, like so. Maybe we should scale it in a little bit. And now we're going to get our 3D cursor here. We're going to align it on here. And we're going to use our spin tool. Like so. We're going to go 180 minus 180. Okay, and then we're going to bring it out and up. So bring it up and out so it sits over the into the sink. I'm just going to crank up the steps. That's better. Like so. Now I'm happy with that. We're going to select all of those. I'm just going to bring those up a bit because now we need to bring in another cylinder, scale that down, rotate X 90. I'm just going to bring it in here and then scale it out. Well, let's just check it. Yeah, against our man, that looks fine. And then we're going to do a couple of loop cuts. Scale them out on the Y, just so they're out of the way of the tap, the main tap there. And then the two top ones. So that one and that one, we're going to extrude on the Z. So these are the paddles for switching the taps on and off. Control A, scale. Number 2, hit the edges here and here, and then we're going to control bevel, control B to bevel. Then we're going to shade smooth, shade smooth. And then we can chuck in a chrome material. In fact, we could just use that one, just copy that across. And there we have our sink. Let's have a little look. Let's have a look at, see how we're doing. Okay, the sink I'm going to have. Yeah, I like that. That looks better. Yeah, I do like that. So that's our sink. I did on the unit here. I elongated it so it's like a double unit, and then just remove the top face. So that's where all the tubes are going to be for the waste of the sink. And that's where we are at the moment. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, And then the next video we'll do the cupboards and the unit, I think, and the top units, worktops. We'll get there in the end. Anyway, yep, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Ta-da for now.